Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this video is a car crash video. It's a 2-for-1 special. These both happened in the same day on the same trip. The first one I ran across was an aftermath video after the car accident, but the second video you actually get to see the accident happen. Of course, it's a little far off, so I'm gonna have to zoom it in. But you can see a car pull between traffic and get hit by a truck in a turn lane in the second video. So I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the things so we can get some subscribers.
Ooh, Challenger. Yeah, somebody hit him.
Well, there's a cop right there.
Yeah. Where's the other car?
That's where they're there.
Oh, hell. He hit the back of that pickup.
And blowed the tires off of it.
Damn.
Because, yeah, I don't think they put one in recently. Ooh, damn!
What?
That red car just got hit.
Oh.
Ooh, damn!
What?
That red car just got hit.
Oh. Pulled out in front of that truck?
Yep.
Pulled out in front of that truck?
Yep. And that's on camera. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.